Sharp drop and a sharper recovery across Dow Jones, Nasdaq and S&P 500 is seen. Now, what can be expected today? Which position you should take? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe is missing on the profits. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. The next update on these two, that is Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones, will be up before the US cash session. So do watch that also. Let's start. First we look into Nasdaq 100 and followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end and do listen to it carefully. Now look at the hourly charts. Again a trend reversal with this candle. It was trying to consolidate a bit and now it is again on the bull mode, and now probably it is trying to look forward to achieve 11,140. Watch out for 11,140. Very strong resistance there. Beyond that we are looking at 11,200, 300, 400, 500. Every 100 points till 11,500 it has got a stronger resistance. So yes, it is still not bearish, that can be said. Now look at this, what it is trying to trade into. It is trying to trade in this bullish channel, and probably the highs there at 11,200 cannot be denied if it continues to trade this. See, this is a bullish breakout, first green candle. Successive red green candles can also be expected. Directional movement again diverging and bullish. Stochastic is at bottom trying to bounce back from here, and the MACD is again bullish. It has reached a level of 50. Let's be careful there. RSI looking upwards, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, now on the 2-hour charts again couple of consolidation candle and then again this bullish move. Look at the size of the previous candle. This candle failed to breach past this high. Now this candle is trying to take it again on the upside. 11,140 is the level you should watch out for. Beyond that 11,200 certainly very strong resistance, and if it breaks past 11,200 you can expect it to trade strongly on the upside. 11,300, 400 cannot be denied. Very strong resistance there. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic is overbought here on the 2-hour charts. Little bit of consolidation can be expected, little bit of drop can be expected. Directional movement bullish here, divergent here. Stock RSI looking upwards here, indicating little bullishness. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts here. On the 3-hour chart, see, probably it may try to achieve the vertex at 11,140, and then we'll decide how it tries to behave. Any breakout beyond 11,140 certainly will take it to 11,200, and then beyond that we may see it flying for 11,400 also. Be careful. At the same time, on the downside, only sell position today is below 10,950 levels. Below 10,950 you can expect 10,920, and then if it breaks below 10,900 certainly it can continue with the bearish momentum till 10,800 and below levels. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic is extremely overbought here on the 3-hour charts. It can try to converge crossover. The MACD is divergent and bullish, and if you look at the RSI, this is looking upwards too. And now if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts. See, all the 3 candles aligned, the highs are done, and if you look at the lows out there, the pivot right now at around 11,000 40-50 levels, and if it drops below 10,950 11,040-50 you can expect 10,950 levels, and below that certainly more bearishness will be seen. So only buy at 11,140, only sell at 11,040, but then be careful of 11,000. 11,000 certainly has provided it a very strong support. Below 11,000 levels, more bearishness will be seen, and then we can expect 10,970, 10,950 as the support, then 10,920, and if it drops below 10,920, it will continue with the bearish momentum. 10,840, 10,800, 10,700 cannot be denied. At the same time, buying above 11,140, you can expect 11,200. Then beyond that, more bulls will pitch in 11,300, 400, 500. Watch out for the levels at every 100 points. Directional movement on the 4-hour charts is still bearish, extremely overbought here on the stochastic. The MACD divergent and bullish, and if you look at the RSI, this is looking upwards here. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, the candle has taken a shape and it is trying to trade in green. Now see here, even if it tries to rise, how high it can fly. Yes, the resistance there at 11,100, 140 levels should be very strong, breaking beyond which it will call for the bulls. You can expect a rise till 11,200, In fact, 11,200 is the next strong resistance. Beyond that, 11,300, 400, and beyond that, we may see it flying high on the upside. See, so far you can see here. Let me draw something for you. You'll find out. So this zone at 11,500, 600 is going to be the critical resistance. Till then, probably every candle is counted here. Yes, we have seen the lows, we have seen a breakout, and hence probably downward journey may resume if it fails to break past 11,500, 600 zone, then and then only. Directional movement, divergent and bearish. See the stochastic here with one green candle. It has seen the highs out there. It may again try to achieve the highs, and then a drop from there cannot be denied. The MACD divergent and bullish here. It is just crossed over, and RSI is looking upwards to. Considering this, in between 11,140 and 11,040, do not trade today. Below 11,040, you can expect 11,000 as a major support, 10,970, 10,920 as the next support, and only below 10,920 you can expect that the bears will pitch in 10,850, rather 10,840, and 10,800 levels will be the support there, what we had seen earlier. Now again going to be the levels, 10,800 going to be the strong support. Below that, it may continue with the bearish momentum. On the upside, trading above 11,140, you can expect 11,200, and beyond that it will fly for 300, 400, 500 levels. 500, 600 is the major resistance zone for NASDAQ100. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. And yes, if you want to learn the art, if you want to learn the strategies of trading profitably, taking right entries and the right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. 16th batch will start on 7th of November. Be a part of it, and definitely the strategy start will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. Also for signals also, yes, you can join my signals channel, but reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Remember, contact only to the Telegram and email IDs mentioned in the channel and video description. Please match every alphabet, because spammers and fraudsters have twisted the emails, twisted the IDs, and created almost identical similar IDs so that you cannot distinguish, and definitely they can cheat you very easily if you cannot exercise caution. So please exercise caution while contacting via email or Telegram. Match on the alphabets, and definitely after a confirmation from me, you can proceed with the payments out there. Reach out to me for more details. Also, you can be part of my patron page. Support the effort which I am putting here just by becoming the patron. So all the links and contact IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. US30 on the hourly charts, after consolidating here a bit, getting the support from 30,000 levels. Now it is again given a strong breakout, and on the hourly chart, this is a very strong bullish candle and a first breakout candle. Probably successive greener candles can be expected. So 3,300 and 3,500 levels cannot be denied. Directional movement divergent again on the hourly chart, but this must be taking it to overbought level. See, the stochastic is comfortable now, looking upwards. Probably it may get into overbought zone soon. The MACD is divergent and bearish. See, it is at 200 levels. You have to be exercising caution from there, because from here a probability of conversion exists. See what we had seen here. It can converge, crossover, and enter into. Hence, just wait for it. Wait for the red line to catch up. Once this crosses over, it will call for a good drop there again. So be cautious there. Or RSI looking upwards, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, once again it is looking forward to the highs at 3,400, which was the previous high. Very strong resistance at this zone. Beyond that, certainly more bullishness can be seen. So 3,300 and 3,400, these two levels you should watch out. Beyond that, it will fly out on the upside. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic is extremely overbought. Yes, it can sustain these levels for a little while. Also look at the MACD. Yes, MACD has also a little scope for it to continue with the bullish momentum, and then the crossover may exist, may arrive soon. RSI looking upwards, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, remember this is trading at the extremes of the Bollinger Bands. There is going to be a stronger resistance. Now look at the charts here. Again, lower highs are done. Probably this is going to be a tough resistance for Dow Jones. It can continue to its downward journey from here. Hence, only buy position today I will recommend is about 3250. Beyond 3250 you can expect 30,300, 30,400. These two are the next resistance level. Beyond 30,400 we can expect another round of bullish move. 3,500 the next target, and then beyond that 3,800, 31,000 will be seen. So trade with caution till then. Also, on the downside, only sell position today I will recommend is at 3,100 levels. In fact, below that 30,000 is a very strong support. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts too, after forming a double bottom, it is trying to give you a greener candle. Probably it can give you stronger rise. If it continues to trade beyond 3250, you can expect 3,300 and then 3,400 levels. 3,400 greater resistance. Beyond that, definitely one can remain for 3,500, 3,720, 3,840, 31,000 levels, and plus levels will also be seen. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is extremely overbought here. It can sustain it for a while. The directional movement MACD is again diverging, again bullish. RSI is near to overbought levels. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see how beautifully lower highs are done. And any move beyond this zone at 3250, beyond 3250, it will call for a very strong rise, taking it till towards 3,400, 500, and then beyond that again we can expect it to rise more. 3,800, 31,000 cannot be denied. Be cautious of 3,250 levels. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD divergent and bullish. RSI looking upwards. Considering this, only buy position today is above 3,250. At the same time, yes, you can expect it to drop a little below 3,100. Certainly you can expect 30,000 level as the major support, and if it sustains below 30,000 level today, stay short. It is going to give you very strong bearish move. 29,900 the major support, and then 29,720, 29,500 levels can also be seen. Be cautious with the move. Sell there at 3,100, buy above 30,250. Below 30,000 only bearishness will be seen, and hence you have to trail your stop loss out there. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Definitely, if you want to learn and earn the profits for life, you can join my mentorship batch, or else join my signals group and become a patron. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.